If you want to download your account data from Uber, follow these simple steps to access your information securely and efficiently. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. Scroll down to find the Privacy section within the settings. Tap on Privacy to view options related to your account data. Step 4. Request your data. In the Privacy section, look for the option labeled Download Your Data. Tap on it and follow the prompts to request a copy of your account data. You may need to confirm your identity. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your request, check the email associated with your Uber account. You will receive a link to download your data once it is ready, which may take some time depending on the amount of information. Once you have followed these steps, you will be able to access your Uber account data easily. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for assistance.